Hi, my name is North, and I think I just found the most powerful mini PC you can get for under $1,000. Let's take a look. This is the GEEKOM A9 Max, and it's way smaller like this controller you see here, but it's much more powerful than it looks. I've been testing it for a week, editing my videos, running benchmarks, and yes, gaming on a 1440p 200Hz monitor. And today I'm going to show you what it's really capable of. Let's start with the unboxing. At first glance you can tell it's of very good quality, and you can also see that its body is made of aluminum. It feels quite solid and is heavier than you'd expect, which is great because of its cooling system. Inside the box we see several cables. You have the power adapter, a VESA mount so you can hide it behind a monitor, an HDMI cable, and the user manual. Its selection of ports is excellent. It has two USB 4 ports, dual HDMI, a 2.5GB Ethernet port, a full-size SD card reader, and several USB-A ports on the front. Basically, it comes ready for anything right out of the box. In terms of internal specifications, for the processor it has an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370. This processor is equivalent to 12 threads and 24 cores and can even reach up to 5.1 GHz in turbo mode. We know that this processor features AMD's Zen 5 technology. It includes a fantastic Radeon 890M mana graphics and built-in an AI acceleration. In the version we're unboxing right now, my unit comes with 32GB of DDR5 RAM at 5600 Hz, a 2TB PCIe 4.0 SSD, and both are fully upgradable. On paper, it's a beast for its size, but specifications don't always tell the whole story. Let's put this beast to the test in the demanding Cinebench R23 benchmark. This particular system impressively scored well over 15,000 points in its multi-core test, thereby coming exceptionally close to other powerful processors within its very same performance range and directly competing in overall multi-core performance with the highly acclaimed Apple M4 Pro. Geekbench tells a similar story with very high scores in both single-core and multi-core tests. When it comes to graphics, the Radeon 780M isn't just good for an integrated GPU. In some tests, it even outperforms a GTX 1650. For such a small system, that's impressive. Now, let's get to the fun part. We're going to play on my 1440p 200Hz monitor and see what this beast is capable of.
Watch your back.
The PCIe Gen 4 SSD here is ridiculously fast. With over 5000 megabytes per second read speeds, it means boot times are almost instant and heavy applications open without hesitation. I had Chrome with 20 tabs open, plus Canva and DaVinci Resolve running while recording in OBS. And the system didn't even flinch. The performance this thing delivers is insane. As for temperatures and noise, even under full load, temperatures stayed below 80 degrees. The fan noise is minimal. If you're in a quiet room, you'll barely hear it. And most importantly, there was no performance throttling due to temperature. The connectivity this little device offers is Wi-Fi 7 and fantastic Bluetooth 5.4, which lets us connect both headphones and controllers for gaming without lag. The ability to connect 3 monitors at once. This is great for a home office, a content creator setup, or a multimedia PC in your living room. It would be perfect anywhere, plus it doesn't take up any space at all. Compared to many other mini PCs from much more widely recognized and well-known brands, this truly wonderful and exceptionally capable mini PC, specifically the A9 Max, simply puts all of them to absolute shame. While many still come with Intel i5, Ryzen 5, i7 or Ryzen 7 processors. And they're nowhere near this level of performance. And for around $1,000, it's really hard to say no to this amazing option considering all the performance it offers. In conclusion, the GEEKOM A9 Max is compact, quiet, and lets you upgrade it for even more power. If you're a student, content creator, or just want a small PC you can take anywhere, this is a really great recommendation. I'll leave the link in the description if you want to check it out. Many thanks to GEEKOM for sending me this wonderful device, and to you all for watching this video. Leave your questions in the comments and they'll be answered. And if you liked the review, give it a like and subscribe for more real tech tests. See you in the next video.